Think your kitchen has it all? Think again! These useful Amazon kitchen gadgets take everyday cooking and cleaning to a whole new level, doing the hard work you didn't even realize needed doing. From clever space savers to smart time savers, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. All product links are in the description below. Here's how you turn greasy gravy into pure perfection. This clever fat separator lets you pour smooth, lean sauces without a drop of oil sneaking in. Just fill it up, and the built-in strainer catches all the unwanted bits. The smart release spout pours from the bottom, leaving the fat layer behind. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and makes every homemade gravy taste like a chef's secret. Cracking peanuts by hand? That's old school. This automatic peanut opener takes the mess and effort out of snack time. Just load it up, give it a quick shake, and it separates the shells with surprising ease. Perfect for air-dried or roasted peanuts, it keeps your fingers clean and your snacks ready faster. Simple, fun, and oddly satisfying every single time you use it. Bring restaurant-style flavor right to your kitchen. This handheld smoker lets you infuse meats, cheeses, and even cocktails with rich, smoky notes in seconds. Just load a pinch of wood chips, turn it on, and let the gentle cold smoke do the magic. You can go subtle or bold with 2 flavor settings. It's compact, easy to clean, and makes every dish feel like a gourmet creation. Cutting veggies doesn't have to feel like a chore. This 4-in-1 slicer turns potatoes, apples, onions, and more into perfectly even pieces with just one press. Swap between 4 sharp stainless steel blades to make fries, wedges, or diced veggies in seconds. Everything lands neatly in the built-in container. No mess, no fuss. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and makes meal prep faster, easier, and way more fun. Say goodbye to cherry-stained fingers and flying pits. This clever tool removes pits from up to 6 cherries at once. Fast, clean, and satisfying. Just load, press, and you're ready for pie, jam, or snacking. The built-in tray catches every pit and drop of juice, keeping your counter spotless. It's compact, easy to lock for storage, and even works for olives and grapes too. No more crushed bagels or uneven halves. This guillotine-style slicer cuts cleanly through bagels, muffins, and rolls in one smooth motion. Just place your bagel inside, push down the handle, and you've got 2 perfect halves. No mess, no danger to your fingers. The protective shields keep you safe while the serrated stainless steel blade does all the work. It's fast, satisfying, and totally foolproof. Staying on top of your meds just got a whole lot easier. This clever 2-in-1 water bottle comes with a built-in pill organizer right on the side. It holds 7 compartments for your daily vitamins or medicine, and you've got water ready whenever you need it. Perfect for travel, work, or the gym. It keeps everything in one place. Simple, smart, and surprisingly convenient. Say goodbye to twisting, cranking, and sharp metal edges. This automatic can opener does all the work with just one press of a button. It glides smoothly around the lid and leaves safe, rounded edges behind. No cuts, no mess. Perfect for anyone who wants effortless cooking, especially seniors or those with limited hand strength. Compact, cordless, and surprisingly fun to watch in action. Dull knives slowing you down? This rechargeable electric sharpener brings them back to life in seconds. Its dual-stage system first sharpens, then polishes for a smooth, razor-like edge. The diamond-coated wheels handle steel or ceramic blades with ease, all powered by a fast USB rechargeable motor. Compact, cordless, and effortless. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone who wants precision without the hassle. Garlic prep doesn't have to be messy or time-consuming. This clever garlic twister crushes, minces, and grinds cloves in seconds. No press, no sticky hands. Just pop in a few cloves, twist, and you'll get finely minced garlic bursting with flavor. It even works on ginger, herbs, and nuts for extra versatility. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and built to last. Simple, efficient, and super satisfying to use. Tired of battling frozen solid ice cream? This smart heated scoop melts away that struggle, literally. The handle gently warms up, letting you glide effortlessly through hard ice cream straight from the freezer. No waiting, no bending spoons, just smooth, creamy perfection every time. It's rechargeable, fully washable, and even shows the temperature on a tiny LED screen. Perfect for anyone who loves dessert but hates the arm workout. Here's one clever kitchen helper you didn't know you needed. This oil dispenser comes with a built-in silicone brush, letting you measure, spread, and reuse oil without any mess. Just pinch the dropper to draw up the right amount, brush it on your pan or food, and pour the rest back. No waste at all. It's easy to clean, totally leak-proof, and perfect for cooking, baking, or grilling like a pro. Snack bags always going stale too soon? This mini heat sealer has your back. It seals and cuts plastic bags in seconds, locking in freshness and keeping your food crisp for longer. Just clamp, slide, and you've got an airtight seal. No clips or bulky machines needed. It's rechargeable, magnetic, and compact enough to stick on your fridge or toss in your bag. Perfect for chips, snacks, or leftovers on the go. Love pickles but hate fishing them out with your fingers? This clever condiment fork makes that mess disappear. It clips right onto the jar, so it's always there when you need it and stays clean when you don't. Just grab a pickle, olive, or pepper without dripping brine everywhere. When you're done, slide it back into its little holder. No mess, no fuss, just pure snack time satisfaction. Say goodbye to stale snacks and wilted veggies. This electric mason jar vacuum sealer keeps your food fresh for days longer by locking out air in seconds. Just place it on top of the jar, press a button, and let it work its magic. No pumping or cords needed. It's rechargeable, compact, and fits both wide and regular jar lids. Perfect for canning, meal prep, or preserving leftovers with zero hassle. If you've ever struggled with soggy tofu, this clever press changes everything. Just pop your block inside, clip it shut, and let it drain while you go about your day. The water collects neatly at the bottom. No paper towels or mess. In a few hours, you will have perfectly firm tofu that absorbs flavor like a sponge. It's simple, reusable, and gives you restaurant-quality texture every single time. Half an avocado left? Don't let it turn brown before tomorrow. This stretchy silicone hugger wraps snugly around your avocado half, sealing out air and locking in freshness. The flexible design fits with or without the pit, keeping it green and ready for later. It's reusable, dishwasher safe, and far better than plastic wrap. Simple, eco-friendly, and perfect for anyone who hates wasting good avocados. Here's a genius upgrade for your drink game. This silicone ice mold makes perfectly shaped rings that slide right into your tumbler, keeping your drink cold for hours without watering it down. Just fill, freeze, and twist to release smooth, hollow ice that melts slowly and looks amazing in any cup. It's leak-proof, easy to clean, and stacks neatly in your freezer. Drying your veggies just got a whole lot easier. This large salad spinner uses a quick press design to spin away water in seconds, leaving your greens crisp and ready to serve. It's lightweight yet sturdy, with a built-in strainer that makes rinsing and draining effortless. Whether you're prepping salad, dumpling fillings, or chopped herbs, This all-in-one tool keeps everything fresh, clean, and perfectly dry without the mess. Fresh herbs can take any dish from good to amazing, and this handy herb mill makes that process effortless. Just load your herbs and twist. The stainless steel blades quickly mince everything to perfection without bruising the leaves. It's compact, easy to hold, and even easier to clean since it comes apart for rinsing or tossing in the dishwasher. A simple, mess-free way to prep herbs fast. If you love making meatballs but hate the mess, this clever gadget might just be your new favorite kitchen tool. It lets you shape a dozen meatballs at once with a single press. No sticky hands or uneven sizes. The stainless steel design keeps cleanup simple, and it's versatile enough for rice balls, veggie balls, or even cookie dough. Perfect for quick, uniform results every time. Anyone who's tried baking bread knows the struggle of getting dough in and out of a hot Dutch oven. This silicone bread sling fixes that instantly. Its non-stick surface makes transferring loaves smooth and effortless, while the long handles protect your hands from heat. It cleans up easily, distributes heat evenly, and doubles as a versatile baking mat for cookies, pizza, and more, perfect for any home baker. If chopping vegetables feels like the slowest part of cooking, this multitasking chopper will be your new favorite shortcut. With interchangeable blades for slicing, dicing, grating, and shredding, it turns meal prep into a quick, mess-free process. The built-in container keeps your counters clean and everything's dishwasher safe. This NutMilk Maker blends, heats, and filters your ingredients into creamy almond, soy, or oat milk with just the press of a button. It's perfect for anyone tired of store-bought options filled with additives. With multiple functions, a warming feature, and all the accessories included, it's a compact kitchen upgrade that turns simple ingredients into fresh, healthy drinks anytime. If you've ever wanted to make your own healthy snacks at home, this food dehydrator makes it incredibly easy. With adjustable temperature controls and stainless steel trays, you can dry everything from jerky and fruit to herbs and dog treats. The rear fan ensures even drying, while the quiet operation and auto shutoff keep things simple. It's perfect for anyone who loves fresh, preservative-free snacks. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.